Tingle!
We crossed off number 48 on our list.
Make a new friend!
We have both known her for a long time, but we
Yes. Her name is Ree.
her initials are E,
R-E.
and we've both gotten to know her a lot better this year,
And she is nice.
and we both really like her.
And she is in court.
Yeah. Well,
That's all.
that's it.
I hope you all have a lovely Super Bowl Sunday.
Woo!
Even though the Packers are not.
This is the South.
Bye!
Bye!